Hi guys, today we're gonna build our other bookshelf, which is also a Billy bookshelf, and it's bigger than the last one that we built.
Okay, so I think we're gonna be building the big one. I know, like this one.
Yeah, we're gonna be building this one.
Yeah, but it's small version.
So our other one didn't fit all of our books, so we're gonna build this one, and we're gonna use the other one for our toys.
Yeah, the other one's really small.
So we got the pieces for the first step, which you need 16 wooden things.
Yeah. It says it right here.
So you need 16 of those, and you need to get 3 of these things over here and this one.
And then we need to place these on each side. Okay, we put it on the carpet for now.
Wait, is this one supposed to be?
I feel like we should like put it in the box and put it in the film. Okay, now we have to put these things up here.
Guys, some of them don't have like a full circle in them, like this one, so don't use it. So you don't need this one. And
This is my orange one. Okay, I sort of did it, I guess. And
we need this one. Okay, let's do this.
okay, this is. Can I film? Wow, this is going so slow. So now we're gonna have to put nails in these. But now we're gonna have to put them like in the middle, like these ones. I don't know.
Yeah, it's in the outer 2 last pieces.
Yeah, this time we're putting nails, and some of them. I'm gonna do it. Kids know how to do nails. Okay, we need to what? Okay, we need to do a time lapse. Okay.
Can I do one?
No, tranquilo, tu vê?
It's tricky.
Those are tricky.
Let Joseph do this.
You don't do these or this or those 2. Just 2 tiny ones. I'll do the next one.
This is so hard, and that's why he let Joseph do it.
Okay.
Finally, it's so easy now. Now that I learned, it's easy.
Okay, my turn.
It's easy, you just have to hold it door.
This is my first time doing it, so don't judge me.
Okay, so we finished. Yeah, we finished it. It took forever. Now we have to do.
So you place 2 of the boards, not 3, only 2.
Onto these things.
I guess that's the first shelf. It makes sense. It's sideways. So Dad's putting on some screws to make this thing stable in the back.
I know how to do this.
So you put this part, thing, whatever it is, in the back hole over there.
There it is.
Huh.
Yes.
And then you place the other one. And you do the same thing to it.
In the whole study. I know how to do it, you know?
We'll do the second one.
This one looks pretty easy to do. And yeah, we built those. Now we're gonna put on the shelf. Okay. I feel like this is the hardest part of building the shelf.
No, it isn't. This is easy. Let's.
So then you put the gray things in there, and this should be on the outside. It should not be on the inside.
I told you. Well, that's supposed to happen, isn't it? Finally! Joseph is like better at putting these things.
I suggest you do this on a carpet if you live in an apartment building like us.
Daddy!
Why do you need to put a line?
This is the instruction. Check.
That's weird. So there's this like cardboard thing to make the shelf look better in case you have a dirty wall or something like that. Or a color that you don't want the shelf to be again.
Get up.
Okay. Lift it up.
Ooh!
Oh, so you need an outline where you want to put your shelves.
No, put the screws.
Oh, the screw. That's okay. So now we're putting in nails. Like we also did that with the other shelf to attach the cardboard to the wood.
But why do we need to, you know, like put the pencil, the pencil thing?
That's to mark where you're gonna put the shelf slash nails.
Oh, that does not make any sense. I like hammers. I want to use hammers.
Okay, now we need to turn it.
Now we're putting in the things. Well, I'm gonna put some in one of these things. So it's like this. So
Laura, they can't see it, you know. Oh, there. Oh, I zoomed in too close. Oh,
Let me put this
you
in.
don't have to put. So it's to hold the shelf.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my hand.
No, Dad, you keep the high shelf. This one's for my chapter books.
Okay, so these are the books that we put on our bookshelf. This is my favorite book on it. This, like Black Thing. It's so good, and this one, and like this, and some other book, and this book. We just got them like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. You know?
No, there's another book.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
And also, we put all the Arabic books here. We have a lot of them, and I don't know why we need to read them.
Not a lot.
And we have a bunch of level ups and a lot of level 1s. 2, 3, and I don't know. We have level 5s. Almost finished the last Kids on Earth series, which I love. And we have a bunch of diary books, and I don't know. And also, I don't know how we're gonna fit any more books because we have a lot of space. Even some here.
There's some up here. The bookshelf is pretty good. My favorite book on it so far is this one. I'm not even done with it, so yeah, but I still like it. It fits a lot. Mom has a whole shelf for herself. Well, not even full. There's only 3 books on it. which is not fair.
And that's that shelf, right?
Yeah, Dad's shelf with a bunch of boring books.
Yeah.
I don't know how you like those.
Jeez, grown-up books. Terrible. Terrible.
There's a bunch of magazines for Dad, workbooks, and a bunch of other books that can't fit over here.
I don't like grown-up books.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys. See you later and also subscribe.